Hey guys, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video showing you guys how to make this cute rose gold lipstick bullet. It came out absolutely stunning and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang.
Mix it.
Lipstick gang. Let's mix it up.
So before we get into this video, I have to share with you guys the inspiration behind it. I was sitting up in my bed watching Disney Plus the other night and watching my favorite movie of all time, Roger and Hammerstein's Cinderella. And Brandy had on this beautiful rose gold lipstick and I was like, oh my gosh, since I'm in my bullet mode, my bullet making mode, I have to share this with the gang. So that was the inspiration behind today's video and it came out so nice. So to accomplish this rose gold lipstick bullet, I'm using both of my bases. I'm using the lipstick base and the bullet base. And if you don't know by now, you can get it from veryveelobeauty.com. And for the full recipe of today's video, be sure to join my Patreon. For just a small pledge of $5 a month, you get all of my archive recipes that I've done so far and all of my future recipes. So the first portion of this recipe requires a Very Veelo Beauty liquid lipstick base, and that is what I will be starting with first. So as far as color additives go, the star of today's show will be the Magic Moments Mica. And this recipe is so very easy because that is the only color that I'll be using. Alright, so to mix in this mica, I'm going to be adding in some grapeseed oil and to also enhance the glide and the slip of my lipstick. It allows the lipstick to apply so smooth, so I love incorporating the grapeseed oil into the recipe. In order to allow our lipstick bullet to harden and mold, I'm going to be going in with the Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base. You can grab it from my website, veryveelobeauty.com, and I'm going to be adding it to heat. Notice I have my heat on the first setting, meaning the lowest setting, just so that I can keep an eye on it and it doesn't get too hot because the lipstick base does contain the preservative already. I also have a video showing you how to make the lipstick bullet base on your own. But yes, if you purchase my lipstick base, the lipstick base does have a preservative already. I'm just prepping the mold right here with the leftover grapeseed oil that was in that bowl, just so that our bullet can slide out of the mold easily and effortlessly. So the laser that you see, the little red dot, is just me using my temperature gauge to check the temperature, and the temperature stands at 148.2 degrees Fahrenheit. And the Optifin can actually survive under 176 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't have to add the Optifin because I was using my pre-made base, but for those of you that is making the base on your own, or for those of you who make a mistake and allow the temperature to reach above 176 degrees Fahrenheit, allow it to cool back down to just under 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and then add in 2 drops of Optifin as you see me doing in the previous clip. Now that my lipstick is ready to pour in the mold, I just poured it in. And you guys, you want to make sure that you move fast because as you can see, that second bullet was starting to form on me, and you'll see the reveal right here. I scraped the excess off the top, twisted my lipstick bullet holder tube to the top, and just like that, we made a beautiful bullet lipstick, and it came out absolutely amazing. Now the other bullet was forming on me, so it kind of didn't come out that great. But as I was explaining, make sure that when you pour in that mixture, right before you pour that mixture, when you add in your Optifin, after you add that Optifin in, make sure you move with speed so that your lipstick can stay in a nice liquid state. Therefore, when you pour it into the mold, you won't get all those folds and all those rolls that you may often get when your lipstick is not liquid enough to go into the mold. But here I am just lining my lips. I love what the depth that it brings when I'm wearing like neutral products, especially this beautiful lipstick. The coverage is amazing. It's like a nude with some shimmer. I love the way the Magic Moments Mica really enhanced this lipstick, and it's performing by itself. No titanium dioxide, no other color additives, but just the Magic Mica alone is such a beautiful mica, and the lipstick turned out absolutely lovely. Here I am just adding some of my Paris gloss right on top of it, just to see what it would look like with some extra glossy vibes, and I am hooked. I actually have it on right now as I'm editing, and I'm looking in the mirror, and I love the way that this gloss added to this lipstick. Is so pretty. But yes, that is my rendition of the Cinderella lipstick, and I love the way that it turned out. And as always, I appreciate you guys for coming by. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you guys let me know what you think of the lipstick in the comment section. And as always, thank you so much for stopping by and allowing me to share my gift with you. Bye.